I've been cooking for years, and only now have I realized something surprising. Making dried chili peppers at home is much easier than buying them store-bought. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. We often grab a pre-packaged bag of dried chili peppers without thinking twice. But actually, with just a few simple steps, you can make your own dried chili peppers that are much cleaner, more fragrant, and more visually appealing. And today will be different. I will show you how to make dried chili peppers at home in a very simple way, retaining their vibrant natural red color, rich aroma, and full spiciness. After trying it once, you might not want to buy packaged dried chili peppers anymore. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. First and foremost, to make a delicious batch of dried chili peppers, choosing the right type of red chili pepper is the most important step. These are the fresh chili peppers I bought this morning. You can see how bright and vibrant their red color is, and the stems are still fresh and green. This is the type of chili pepper you should choose for making dried chili peppers. Conversely, you should avoid peppers that are darker or slightly dull in color, as they will affect both the color and flavor of the finished product. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask the seller about the freshness of the chili peppers. After selecting the right chili peppers, the next step is to clean them properly. Put all the chilies into a large bowl of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir until dissolved. Soak the chili peppers for about 5 to 7 minutes. This helps to loosen dirt or residue from the surface. After soaking, rinse the peppers thoroughly under running water, ensuring each one is clean. Then remove the peppers from the water and place them in a colander to drain completely. Once the peppers have drained, it's time to remove the stems. Simply break off the stem and discard it, keeping only the chili pepper body. The stems are not necessary when making dried chili peppers because they can affect both the flavor and color of the chili powder. After removing the stem, you'll see the beautiful deep red color of the chili pepper. Now for the drying step. I will introduce 3 natural drying methods suitable for everyone, whether they have specialized equipment or not. Includes natural sun exposure, drying using an air fryer, and dry roast in a pan. The first method is to expose the skin to natural sunlight. Spread the chilies in a thin, even layer on a clean tray and place it in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. If the sun is strong, you can dry them for about 10 to 12 hours, or until the chilies are dry outside and can be easily broken. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The second method is to use an air fryer. It's very simple. Put the peppers in the basket of the air fryer, spreading them out in a thin, even layer. Do not stack them too densely so that heat can circulate evenly. Set the dehydrate setting to 90 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour. During this time, the chili peppers will gradually lose all their moisture and dry out completely. After 2 hours, check. If the chili peppers are dry, crisp, and easily broken, they are ready. Remove and allow to cool completely. The third method is to lightly dry roast the food in a pan or pot. Use a wide pan and set the heat to low. Add the chilies and stir gently for a few minutes until the moisture evaporates. The goal is to dry, not to cook. Very important, do not use high heat and do not roast for too long, as this can darken the color and alter the aroma. When prepared correctly, chili peppers retain their vibrant red color, aroma, and are suitable for long-term storage. Just stir until the chili peels are slightly dry. After applying these 3 methods, you will find that the chili peppers retain their beautiful red color, natural aroma, and pure, rich flavor. The chilies are completely dry, with no moisture left, perfect for making high-quality dried chilies. After drying, divide the chili peppers into 2 equal parts. They are then ground separately to create 2 types of dried chili peppers with different textures. Each serving contains approximately 100 grams of dried chili peppers. For the first part, put it in a blender. Use the pulse mode, not continuous blending. Press a few times, just enough to break the chili into coarse pieces. This method creates a texture similar to the dried chili peppers sold in supermarkets or the small packets that come with pizza. This method creates a texture similar to the dried chili peppers sold in supermarkets or the small packets that come with pizza. This type is very versatile in everyday cooking: pizza, pasta, stir-fried noodles, fried rice, and it's also ideal for making chili oil at home. From 100 grams of dried chilies, you'll get a considerable amount of raw chilies, enough for many dishes. Now for the second part. This time, grind it a little differently to create a smoother texture. Instead of pressing and releasing, grind continuously to make the chili peppers smoother and more even. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After a while, you'll notice the texture becomes much finer, almost like chili powder. Comparing the 2 types, one side is a raw chili pepper with clearly defined pieces and a rough texture. On the other side were finely chopped chili peppers, uniformly colored and smooth. Both are made from the same type of chili pepper, but they are distinctly different. Raw chili peppers are perfect for sprinkling on pizza, pasta, or stir-fried noodles. Finely ground chili powder blends perfectly into curries, soups, and fried dishes. Sprinkle chili powder over the fried eggs while they are still hot. Just a thin, evenly distributed layer is enough to bring out the color and subtly infuse the spiciness, enhancing the dish's flavor without overpowering the egg's natural taste. By simply adjusting the grinding time, you can customize the chili to suit your dish and preferences. Now all that's left is preservation. Place the raw chili and the finely ground chili into 2 separate, clean, and completely dry glass jars with airtight lids. Airtight storage is important because it helps preserve color, aroma, and flavor for longer. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. You'll always have homemade dried chili peppers ready to use. So, I've shown you how to make dried chili peppers at home. Hopefully, this video shows you that you no longer need to rely on store-bought chili peppers and that you can absolutely make your own perfect and safer chili sauce. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. You can also find many simple cooking tutorials and practical household tips on my Clever Tricks channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.